In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iMessage notifications not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And this can be really annoying if they're not working because you could be getting important messages without even realizing. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a lot of different options, but you're going to see notifications as one of those options. Then go ahead and scroll down again. It's going to show you all the different apps that you have currently installed on your phone. Just go over to your messages application because this is where iMessage notifications will be linked to. And all you want to do is where it says allow notifications, you want to make sure that's turned on. But when that is turned on, make sure everything else is also turned on as well, like critical alerts, time sensitive notifications, and where the type of alerts you want. Just have lock screen, notification center, and banners on. As for announced notifications, this is up to you, but I'd recommend just having this on as well. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.